Stacy! March!
Frank, what's the matter, fella?
What is it, Frankie? Is Timmy stuck on the train tracks again? Oh, man, Stace. Can't your wiener dog take a joke?
Not on an empty stomach, Bradley. Uh-oh. We're all out of Mr. Grizzly Bits.
That's not all you're out of. Mr. Crunchy Pork Rinds, Mr. Twisty Pretzels, Mr. Salty Ripple Chips, and you're all out of cheese poopers!
We've been robbed!
Of snacks? I'm so sure.
Wait a minute, my dear Bradley. Obviously, this is the case of the mysterious snack food bandit.
Maybe it's the case of the hungry wiener dog.
Afraid not, my dear Bradley. Lady Stella always keeps the snacks and dog food in a cupboard with doggy-proof latches. Aha!
What is it?
Nothing. I just felt like saying, aha! All right?
Well, all that stuff couldn't just disappear into thin air.
Elementary, my dear Bradley.
I'm not your dear, all right?
This is obviously the case of the mysterious snack food bandit magician.
As if you don't have a clue, Sherlock.
So what's your bright idea, Edison?
I know. We'll ask the snack fairy. She'll know what happened to all your junk food.
The who?
Don't tell me you've never heard of the snack fairy.
I'm so sure.
Man, why don't fairies ever get to wear sensible clothes?
The snack fairy flies in on her magic ripple chip sleigh while the children are sleeping all snug in their beds with visions of cheese poopers dancing in their heads. Hey, those are my cheese poopers.
In your dreams, Bee-Man. Merry Snackmas to all, and to all a good snack.
Any minute now, the snack fairy will appear and work her snack magic.
This is so lame.
You are...
Huh?
She's here! It's the snack fairy!
Not. I don't believe it. We've got mice.
Or have the mice got us?
We want everywhere! We're being overrun!
No, it ain't nothing like the rodent problem we had when I was a youngster. Of course, that was all solved once I invented the wheel.
No problem, everyone. I've already called a professional exterminator, and I've got their estimate right here. It's...
I hope they're as good at exterminating mice as they are with superintendents.
Whoa!
Hey! They're taking over.
This looks like a job for the Mousinator! I am a better mousetrap!
Whoa, what's that funky smell?
Limburger.
Nuclear cheese missiles armed and... Huh?
No, Frank, it's a trap! Nice try, Tin Man.
And you've got a better idea?
As usual.
Oh, I get it. You're gonna sneak behind enemy lines to find out the best place to put the traps, right?
Real mature, Bradley. We're going to learn to live together in peace and harmony for your big fat information. Just watch and learn.
Oh, man. Educational TV?
Day 1. I've set up camp close to main living room group. I hope I can gain their trust, and the mice will come to see me as one of their own. The more I observe them, the more I realize what gentle and peaceful creatures they are. They're animals! Their little pointy faces are just so cute.
Eat tube cheese, rodents!
Way to go, Frank! You guzzled all our ammo! Yow! We're outnumbered! It's a skillion to 2!
This calls for the secret weapon! It's the farmer's wife of ultimate doom! Did you ever see such a sight in your life?
I hope you're happy. This is really gonna set us back on the trust and acceptance front. Mice are living creatures just like us. We have to learn to get along. At last, after many minutes of living amongst them, these peaceful creatures have accepted me. See, Bradley, they like me.
Yeah, right. Bet they'd like you even better with mustard and ketchup.
This calls for a secret weapon.
What happened to, oh, the sweet, gentle mice of peace and love?
They're about to be involved in a tragic food chain accident. Sick 'em, boys! The sweet sound of success.
Success sounds kind of crunchy.
Oh no! Frankie?
Looks like Frank's gone over to the dark, furry side.
To the war room for strategizing. Oh man, look what they've done to my secret plans!
Look what they did to my mitt.
You wish. You've always had a hole in your glove, B-Man.
Not funny, Stace.
Dude, they're drinking milk straight out of the carton.
Whoa, germs.
They are hogging all the parking spots!
Sneaky rodents are using up all the dryers, too.
Holy mackerel! They're hogging all the pool toys, you guys!
The common house mouse really knows how to multiply, you know.
Stanley! Who you gonna call?
Mouse Busters!
All right, rodents. Let's see how you like. What have we got in here anyway?
My dad's old sailor cologne. There will be no survivors.
Whoa, guess we shouldn't have used it full strength, huh?
It's not working, Bradley. They like Dad's cologne. We're doomed! Dad?
Hey, Pumpkin.
Huh?
Sorry, kids. Looks like we'll have to go without cable for a while. The residents have decided the money be better spent paying an exterminator to come in once a month to keep the mice away. It's just too expensive.
No cable?
Municipal Erosion Control Policy, Section 3, Subsection 8.
Lint.
Where does it come from, and what can we do about it? La plume de mon tongue.
Only 3 channels? And one of them's French! Where'd they go?
Duh, someplace that's got cable.
Où est mon chapeau, Marley?
Wait for us!
You're it, Polly.
You okay, Stace?
I don't feel so hot.
Funny. You look real hot to me.
Not funny, Bradley.
Maybe you've got chicken pox.
I'm gonna lie down for a bit, okay?
Whoa! A nap on Saturday? Maybe you really are sick, Stace. Shh. What? Why?
Mom is what? Why? If she hears you saying I'm sick, she'll...
Sick! Oh, my poor baby! Put a blanket on. There. All comfy. Have some soup. Drink some tea. Take some vitamins.
Mom, I'm okay, okay?
She's just a little dizzy, Mrs. Stickler.
No, Bradley.
Dizzy! Oh! And you're running a fever. Emergency. Repeat, emergency. Is it serious?
She's perfectly normal, Mrs. Stickler.
Uh-oh. Sounds bad, Stace.
Real mature, Bradley.
She's just been out in the hot sun too long. You should make sure she wears a hat when playing outside.
Stacy, put this on. It has the very latest anti-sun technology. Auto sunscreen applicator. Sunglasses. Air conditioning.
Real cool hat, Stace.
Not funny.
Oh, yes, it is.
That is a nasty cough you have there, Brady.
No, it isn't. It's a nice cough. I like my cough.
That's right. Bradley's had a frog in his throat all week, Doctor.
Have not.
Say, oh, Brady.
Oh, man. I wish he'd stop saying that. He's making me nervous.
I wish you didn't have garlic pizza for lunch. You're making me gay.
Your tonsils are infected, Brady. I'm afraid they'll have to come out.
Oh, no!
Run, Marissa!
My tonsils aren't going anywhere.
Holy mackerel! Getting your tonsils out is no big deal, Bradley. I should know, because I had mine out last year. Sheesh! Are you a fraidy cat or what?
Meow. I mean, me? As if I'm gonna be a real cool cat.
Duh! It won't be Dr. Boston Bruises who takes out your tonsils, you know. They're gonna bring in a specialist, okay?
Uh-oh. Looks like this is going to be a job for... the Tonsilnator. Sorry, B-Man. Didn't mean to scare you.
I'm not scared. I figure it'll be just like math class.
If you divide the
Math class?
Yeah, because I'll be sleeping through the whole thing. Right, Dill?
Like a baby or what?
Oh, man. What's that funky smell?
That's how they wake you up, Bradley. You gotta get a kiss from the 7 smelly dwarfs.
What? Wedgie time, Scradley.
It's Special Agent Bradley Powers on a mission to save the world from wedgie annihilation, baby!
Real mature, Bradley.
Get him!
Yow! Yeah!
You're doomed, Scradley Powers, international man of bad tonsils.
Yeah, doomed.
Oh, man! It's my arch enemy, the Tonsillator, revving up his doomsday tonsil destructor device. Whoa, baby!
What a baby!
Yeah, wah.
Am not.
Yeah, right. You know where they send you to get your tonsils ripped out, Scradley? Ripped?
Yeah, ripped.
They're gonna send you to the Hospital of Doom!
Hospital of Doom?
Yeah, doom.
Wedgie you later, Scradley, if you ever make it out of there alive.
Don't let him scare you, B-Man.
Ha! As if. Scare me? Ah! It's the Grumpy Reaper!
You're jumpier than a sack full of toads this morning, Bradley.
He's worried about getting his tonsils out, Mr. D.
Well, no, that ain't nothing to worry about. You know, you kids got it easy compared to the way it was back in my day.
I bet you had to take out your own tonsil with no electricity or newfangled doctors and hospitals.
Of course not. We had lasers to do that kind of work.
You had lasers back in the olden days?
Oh, no. The aliens was the ones with the lasers, of course.
Aliens? Bet they were from Uranus, weren't they, Mr. D?
Real mature, Bradley.
Well, wherever they was from, they sure did love cows. We had to dress up as cows and wait for them to beam us aboard the mothership to operate on us.
What was that?
I reckon that's the wiener wolf on the prowl, looking for something to put into its food bowl. Well, I got a load of wash in the dryer.
The wiener wolf! It's coming closer! Oh man, I think he smells that hot dog I had for breakfast. I smelled some mustard on me. Yeah, gross! Get him off!
Down, boy, bad wiener wolf.
I've been touched by the slobber of the wiener wolf.
Get over it, Bradley.
Ah! No! I'm turning into a wiener wolf!
Too late, Scradley. You're already a wiener.
Yeah, wiener.
Oh man, it's the wedgie wolves.
Wedgie time, Scradley.
Yeah.
In here.
No way! I'm not taking my tonsils in there. In here. It's a good thing wedgie wolves have no brains.
How do you know that?
Because their brains are right here.
As if. Those are way too big for Lance and Russell's brains.
Ah, you guys!
It's the living Dill!
Those aren't brains, you know! They're my tonsils!
See, Bradley? Dill survived getting his tonsils out, and I bet it didn't hurt or anything. Right, Dill?
Of course not! And they let you keep them in a jar! Bonus or what?
Yeah? Cool.
I mean, it does tickle a bit when the doctor sticks his big, hairy arm down your throat!
Stace, make him stop.
Dill's trying to help you, Bradley. His heart's in the right place.
Holy mackerel! No, it isn't!
Yeah! I gotta get...
A wedgie, right, Scradley?
Stacy! Your crazy wiener dog is drooling all over my tonsil!
Get ready to howl, Scradley. What's that, man?
Yeah, what?
Oh no! It's the Tonsillator!
He's coming for all of us!
Ah!
Whoa!
And afterwards, you'll get to eat all the ice cream you want.
No! I'll never eat ice cream?
Yep, and you'll probably miss a whole week of school to boot.
No school for a week? Here you go, Doc. And make it quick. There's a couple gallons of triple fudge Mallow Nougat Ripper waiting with my name on it.
Oh, we don't use those old-fashioned techniques anymore, Broadly. Nowadays, we use lasers.
Cool! Hey!
The patient is ready. Relax, B-Man. It looks like you're finally gonna get to see Uranus.
Real mature, Stacy!